What's up, Mr. Cameraman? I am out here in the shop just working on a gate that a customer brought in. You gotta love the customers. They just dump it by the door and say, fix it. Okay, you bet, we'll get it fixed. This is one that was around a trash enclosure. It's not a typical gate that we make or fabricate here. We get a lot of these like custom style gates that people make. And this one is beat to heck. So pretty much just going in. I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is repair, obviously, the frame. To do that, I'm gonna have to grind everything clean, get it squared back up, weld it back together, and then hopefully be able to turn in a better looking gate back to this guy. It's kind of an interesting one looking at it. I don't know, I haven't looked at the other side. I think at one point maybe they had some screws in it, but you can catch a little whiff of it down here. I think they used epoxy or some putty or something to try to help hold these pickets on. Perhaps a bored maintenance man, who knows. Anyway, it's a little tricky, but gonna be out here working on it today. And yeah, I'll let you know when I get her done.
All right guys, so real time, it is the final Friday in September, the 27th of September. So depending on holiday schedules and workflows, either the first Friday or last Friday of the month, we typically have an all hands meeting here at Ozark Fence, here in the fabricating shop, where we get everybody fed and then we basically recount the month or talk about the month to come, depending on whether it's last Friday or first Friday. We talk about sales numbers, we talk about production volume, basically keeping everyone on the same page about what's going on at Ozark Fence. The thought is, one, it's a great chance to get everyone together for lunch that may not see each other during a normal work week. So think e-com and field installations don't see a lot of each other. Gets them at the same table. Also keeps everyone up to date on kind of what's going on for the whole company. That way fabrication can know what's coming down the line from sales, so they know, hey, do we need to pre-make some gates? Do we need to be ready for plated posts? That sort of thing. Also production knows what's coming down the line as far as what sales sees in their pipeline. Great time to come together, talk about what's coming up the next month, what we've already done the previous month, and basically just get everyone together in one place at the same time.
Hey, I'm Eric, and I am down here in Shipland, where we ship out all of our Amazon OzFence.store stuff. I got a hot product here for you today. Easy ties, easy twist ties. Use them in place of regular wire ties. Makes things more efficient and more easier. For a limited time, use promo code SUMMER to get discounted. OzFence.store. Nothing's too hard for the shipping boys.
Oh, hey, what's up, buddy? So we're back here, and as you can see, we got the gate finished. This was pretty unique gate in the fact that it's a one-of-a-kind gate. Not sure who made it or when, but it definitely was in need of some love. So we re-welded up the frame, got the composite pickets back and situated on the frame, and it's ready to go back out to the trash dumpster, back to its home.
What's going on, guys? Just up in the studio finishing this week's video that you're watching. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in more content like this. We can make this maybe a weekly thing or a bi-weekly thing. And let us know what else you'd like to see from the channel. Either more reactions or more tutorials. Leave a comment down below and let us know and we'll see what we can do. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.